Russia will give 13 lakh rupees to mothers who give birth to 10 children. And China has also announced several concessions to encourage Chinese citizens to have more children. While India has been debating imposition of one-child policy on and off for population control, why are these two countries trying to revive their birth rate to arrest the decline in their population? Let's try and understand this in this video. Welcome to India Today Digital. I'm Anjali Istwal. Russian President Vladimir Putin is offering money to women to have 10 or more children to tackle the country's demographic crisis that has emerged due to the COVID-19 pandemic and the Russia-Ukraine war. The initiative, which includes a one-time payment of an equivalent of almost 13 lakh rupees in rubles, is to encourage the mothers to give birth to and to keep alive 10 children. This desperate attempt by Russia is reminiscent of the Soviet era, as this is a revival of Stalin-era scheme called Mother Heroine. This development comes after Russia reported its highest number of daily coronavirus cases since March this year, while estimates of how many soldiers have died in Ukraine are nearing 50,000. According to the order, women will get a one-off payment of 1 million rubles after their 10th child reaches its first birthday on the condition that the other 9 are still alive. Between January and May, the Russian population shrank at a record rate of 86,000 people a month, the Moscow Times reported in July, citing state statistics agency Rosstat. Between October 2020 and September 2021, the Russian population declined by 9,97,000, which was largely due to COVID-19. This marked the largest recorded peacetime population decline in Russian history. While Russia is struggling with the loss of population, why is China looking at arresting its population decline? After all, the country has the largest population in the world, which is finally set to go on a decline from 2025, according to a report in state-supported Global Times. China will roll out a range of support schemes to encourage couples to have more children, but health authorities are cautious about prospects for a baby boom, with the number of births expected to hit a new low this year. The measures, ranging from lower childbirth and education costs to the abolition of some birth control penalties, follows the Communist Party's decision in May to relax the country's two-child policy to allow couples to have 3 children. But the public's response has been very tepid, partly because of the heavy financial burden of raising children and the lack of government and social support. The measures include reducing the cost of giving birth, raising a child, and education, and abolishing the country's notorious fines for violating birth control policies, which in some cases could be up to 8 times a person's annual income. Authorities will also sever links between the number of children in a family and household registration, school enrollment, and employment. Primary and middle schools will have to extend the school days by at least 2 hours, 5 days a week, to reflect the needs of working parents. So while India is debating how to control population, China and Russia are becoming case studies in the negative impacts of low birth. Complicated, isn't it? Well, what do you think about this video? Do comment and let us know. And also, for the latest news updates, subscribe to India Today.